Probably a week does not go by in my practice that I don't receive a phone call from an individual who's somewhat frantic, scared, or confused because they've just received a letter from the DHSMV telling them that their license is going to be suspended. Now, this suspensions can range from a wide variety of things, from an unpaid ticket to child support issues to they've been classified as an HTO. There's some type of financial judgment that's been levied against them and they're going to suspend their license until it's satisfied. They may have issues with insurance on their vehicles and not currently having coverage or didn't have coverage at the time of an accident. There's a vast majority of reasons that they like to suspend people's license. And you'd be surprised at the number of people driving around in the state of Florida whose license is suspended and they may not even know it because they didn't receive that letter or the letter was sent to an address and their address was not updated on their driver's license. Regardless if you received that letter or not, I encourage most people to go to the DHSMV website, check your driver's license. They have a free driver's license check to see if there's any suspensions on it, any pending suspensions that may be going into place. It'll give you peace of mind that you know you're driving around with a valid license. If you do find yourself in an unfortunate situation, if you've either received that letter or if you've gone to the website and you found out that there's a suspension or there is a pending suspension that may be going into place, there's a number of things that can be done depending on what issues you have on your license. If it's an unpaid ticket, we can help you get in contact with the clerk of the court from the county that ticket is currently unpaid in. We can get you cleared up, get that ticket cleared up, get you some D6 clearance letters, which is a clearance letter that'll go from the clerk of the court to the DHSMV, letting them know that you've satisfied the ticket and that suspension will be removed. If it's child support issues, I've been down to the Department of Revenue on numerous occasions with clients, dealing with them, dealing with child support, getting them set up on some payment plans, allowing them to get clearance letters to continue then to drive, to get to work. If it is insurance issues, we can help you get the right information to the DHSMV, letting them know what your current insurance situation is. Regardless of the issue, you want to get your license cleared up, you want to have a valid license in Florida. What needs to be done is we can sit down for a free consultation, we'll pull your driving record, we'll take a look at it, we'll see what issues are on there, what can be done. If we can avoid those suspensions from going into place, then we'll do that. If the suspension has already gone into place, we'll get it cleared up, we'll get you reinstated. If for some reason we're unable to get you a full driver's license, we'll potentially look into getting you a hardship license, which would allow you to drive for business purposes. Regardless, we live in a state where you need to drive and you need to have a valid driver's license. So give us a call for a free consultation. We'll be happy to sit down with you and your driving record and see what we can do to get all your issues cleared up.